Hello buddy, today I'm gonna show you how to install or how to configure the Mikrotik router as a simple way. It's a very simple way. Yeah, I had seen lots of videos in the YouTube. I had seen like more things in the YouTube, but really that was very confusable. So here I'll show you with the very easy way. Very easy way. If you have one router, Mikrotik router, then how you can configure as a new router. Here this project is about how to create hotspot, how to build hotspot, like in your office or like in your home, like your cafe, everywhere where you want to put this thing. So here I don't have the actual this Mikrotik board. I'll show you through this BNC. Sorry, this Windows VMware orchestration. It's like same. I'll show you. Just follow these steps. Then I'm sure that you can easily configure the router as you like. Okay, guys. Now I'm creating one new virtual machine. You can see if you are going to do in the real thing in in a board like some Mikrotik board or in the new system in the PC also you can install. Like if you are installing in the PC, for that you need two Ethernet card, one for WAN and one for LAN. I'll show you that things also with an easy way. Okay, here next I'll put it here others. This thing why I'm doing in here because I don't have the this board of Mikrotik and I don't have the system that which I can show you. So I'm going through this VMware workstation. Okay. For space, we don't need more space for Mikrotik. Okay, I can give 5 GB. Next, customization. Here in this machine, here's only one LAN. Before also already I talked about this thing. For Mikrotik, whatever, like if you are going to configure through the real board or if you are going to configure through the system or if you are going to configure through the orchestration, this virtual orchestration. Here I'm gonna add to LAN. It is loading. Okay, next. No need to choose anything in here. It will configure this thing. So I'm gonna increase my RAM also. Okay, I'll give 500 sorry 512 MB. For Mikrotik also you don't need more memory because this is a Linux based operating system, so it doesn't need any more memory or hard drive. And processor also you have the normal processor, it will work. Now I'm gonna close this one, finish. Now my new machine is ready. First, okay, if you are installing like actual machine, you need to put your CD. You have the you can download the image file. You can download the bootable file and you can run through the CD, whatever, like say either CD or either USB. Now I'm gonna select this thing. So here already I have put this CD for the Mikrotik. So I'm gonna put this one. You can see now it's going to load. It will ask you choose the features. Which features you want to select? If you want to select all from here, just press A. It will be selected all the features. Then you can read here also everything you can get from here. So if I press I, then it goes to installation mode. Do you want to keep old configuration? No, I don't want. So it will ask to erase your drive, but make sure before installing of this Mikrotik, check your data. Just make sure in the hard drive there is no any data which is important for you or it will be used for in the future for you. So first you have to confirm in the hard drive there is no any data. Okay, for me I don't have any data, so I'm gonna do continue. Yes. Now it will create the partition. It will not take that much of time. You can see here. This is totally Linux based operating system. Then it will ask to enter. Okay, then it will reboot. For this, you need one different system for testing also. This is okay. Now I install the Mikrotik. Now we need another system for configure the Mikrotik router. I have the other system. This is my other PC. Now I need Winbox. Okay. See, when you install that Mikrotik operating system OS, then you have to connect one LAN to this computer. If you not connect any LAN cable, then how you will access the Mikrotik router? This is a normal thing, right? So first you have to connect LAN cable to the Mikrotik router or PC or from where you want to install that one. I'll show you one thing here. Connection, see, I have two. I have two LAN. These both are connected to the net, correct? Net. Then when I will go and I will check, okay, here then I will see. See, this is also no, like for testing PC only you need one. Only you can remove this one LAN, no problem. I'm gonna remove it. Okay. See, this is connected to the LAN. You can see here. This is not the same network, correct? So what I will do? In here, second one, this first one I will make one, and this one, then this one I'll make LAN. Before also I already told you that for Mikrotik we need two Ethernet cards, one for WAN and one for LAN. Okay. See, now this card I connected to the LAN segment. So this up to that, this both system will be connected each others. Now see what will be happen after that. See, now I can get the Mikrotik. Okay, click and connect. Now you can see the Mikrotik. This is the form. First, our first job is, first we need to check the interface. I have one Ethernet and another is Ethernet 2. I have two LAN card. If you put in your computer system, it will show same thing. It will show same thing. Now, first one, okay, here, how you will know which you need to make WAN and which you need to make LAN? This is very simple. Go here and in the setting, otherwise in the real machine, just plug the cable. So just plug the cable. After that, after you can know from here if this thing will be uplinking, then you will know this is connected. If you remove the cable, then from here, see, this both are going on, right? Now see what I will do. If I will disable this, okay, I want to power off. See, now see, this bit rate is 0000, correct? So this will be my WAN, and this will be my LAN. Now here I need to make again while power off. This thing only I did for testing. Now second thing you have to go IP and you need to give the address for the Mikrotik. Okay, here, okay, how you will assign the IP for WAN? For WAN, just assign one IP of your router, of your gateway, like from which router you are having the internet connection in your home, in your office. You know this thing. Just try to find one free IP, so you can give that IP to this router. For me, what I will give means I'm giving one free IP. This IP I'm giving. Then 24. This is the subnetting 255.255.255.0. Okay, for WAN configure. Then LAN. Whoever will connect it on that Mikrotik router, they will get different IP. So that IP you have to assign in here. Which IP you want to give to the users, like to the internet user. Here you can assign by yourself. For me, what I am assigning, I'm going to assign 33.33.33.1/24. /24 means this is a subnetting. So I can, so at a time 254 system can connect it, because one will be the broadcast, this one will be router IP and 255 will be the broadcast IP. Okay, LAN. Now see, this is the second thing. Then here, okay, take the IP. What IP this system is getting. say this is getting 10.10.10.10. After that, here it must come 33 range IP because already we assigned 33. Then check this device. It is having internet error. Being no internet. Now third things, you need to assign DNS. DNS means like your DNS. What is your DNS for? Like your ISP DNS. You can put your ISP DNS or you can put your Google DNS. So I'm going to put my ISP DNS. Then for another alternative, I'm going to use this Google one. Click this one. Okay. Then my this DNS has been assigned in my Mikrotik system. Then third thing, you have to route. You have to route like from this IP to this is the IP that you assign for the system. This is the IP you want to give to others. See, from here to here there is no any routing system. We need to give route, correct? Because this is different IP and this one is different IP. For that we need to give the route. Routing, what you need to give? Destination 00. Okay, why 00? This means if any packets is going to some network, it must go from 192.168.70.1 because for this is the gateway, right? Goes from 70.1. Why I put it 71.1? Because for WAN, for internet access, what we did, we put it 70 range IP. For 70 range IP, 70.1 is the gateway. Correct? Sorry. In the this thing, like if you have okay, if you have 192.15.50, then you what will be the gateway you will put? Usually the gateway will be 25.1. This is the thing. Just okay. Now check you have internet access or not now. Sorry. Here if you ping this thing, check you can ping or not. No, why? Here there is two connections, right? This is LAN and this is for LAN and this is for WAN. For one, I need to put bridge. Bridge means if I will click this bridge, then I can connect my this main system. Now check you can ping or not. See, now you can ping. Guys, I'll show you one thing again. Okay, if you not have this thing, check. If you disable this thing, you cannot ping. You cannot ping the Google anything because you don't have the route host. See, instantly if you make this enable, now you can see now it is going to ping. Correct. Because why all our internet, all our packets will go through the 70 range IP because that one is our gateway. Okay. This thing, now what is the thing? Now you have the internet connection in your system. Already you are having internet connection in your router. This thing, see guys, this thing what I did. As beginning already I informed to you, we will have two Ethernet card. One is for LAN and one is for WAN. Why I put it bridge? You know this thing. If I will put bridge, then I can get the internet. So I can pass by the 70 range IP, which I'm having the internet access. So after that, this VM will have the internet access. Now third step is you need to create the DHCP. For DHCP server, click here. When you want to create for the user, right? User means they will use LAN. You have to choose LAN. Next. As I told you in the beginning, see 33.2 and 33.254. You will get that IP. Okay. So your DHCP pool has been created. See now you can see here your DHCP pool. Now everything has been done except this hotspot. Now we are going to create hotspot. Click here, setting setup where LAN to the LAN interface will be the LAN, because your access point will connect to the LAN, not the WAN. WAN is for only internet access. So your LAN will be the main gateway for the users. Correct? What we'll do from like what you'll have here, you'll have two LAN. Correct? This is WAN and this is LAN. What do you have to do? From WAN will be connected for internet access, and LAN is for others. Like from LAN, what you need to do? From LAN you have to connect switch switch switch. From LAN to here you have to connect switch. From switch here will be port, right? Here will be port. From port you will connect access point. This is access point 1, this is access point 2, this is access point 3. AP1, AP1, okay, AP1, AP2 and AP3. You can put more access point also. How many you want to put, you can put that much of access point. What you need to do from here, you need to give the connection to the access point. It will divide to all access point. After that, user will be here. Yes. Or here you can connect the computers, anything, only not the wireless device. You can give the connection to your computer also. It will work. Same thing. One connection you can give to your computer system. A computer you have to connect to the LAN. Now this is your whole system is Mikrotik system. So here main gateway will be Mikrotik for all users, all access point, all computers. Wow. Now what we need to do? We need to go Hotspot, create. I told you, right? Because LAN. Here LAN. LAN why? Because user will be connected through the LAN. Next. Here, what is the DNS name you want to give? Like you can put your office name, you can put your cafe name, you can put your ISP name, then you can put whatever you want. Like here I'm doing for testing purpose, I'll put test.com. You can give anything, test, NP, taste, UK, everything you can give. Anything. Sorry. Now here I am giving .com. Next. Then just create one credential for you. Just what I'm here. Okay, I'm putting my credential. Admin. Password will be admin. Next. Now see the hotspot has been created. So you can see user. Here is one user. If you want to create more user, you can create from here. TSP test1. Okay, I'll keep test. Password will be test. Okay. Then another thing, user profile. You can create a user profile. My stuff. Click this pool. Okay, because already we created one pool. Here, see how it is created. When you made this DHCP server from here, we did before, automatically it will be created in here also. So here just need to choose this thing, then this user. Like for example, for one user you are giving one username and password. What do you want? That username and password will work only for that device, or you want to give access to like another device also, like for another user also. Like here If I created like one admin and test user, right? If I give one this test user to others, if you will share to other, then if you put here share user 10, same user, same credential can use by 10%. If you put one, only one can access. Okay, this is the active. Whoever will be active, who will be had the access, who is accessing your internet, then you can see here. Here, if you want to manage the bandwidth, you can manage the bandwidth through the profile also. You like just create profile, like for example, I don't know why I do this. Ini sama aksesnya mana itu? Open kan? Soalnya itu berubah. Nah, ini tuh open kan? Ada? Nggak bisa jawab. Nah, aduh. Salah. No. Okay, here like I want to create one in the PS bandwidth profile. Just okay. Here you need to assign the limit like 2024 k by 2000, sorry 1024k. Now then the user can get 1 Mbps speed. Okay. Here this admin will I'll have the default full service profile is 1 Mbps. Okay, user my stuff. here 1 MB, 1 MB, yes, full DSP 1, then limit access 1024K by 1024, 1024, 1024K. Okay. Now I'll create one user, create one into his profile. So it's test one, test one. Okay. Then my profile will be 1 Mbps. This thing you can put anywhere, no problem. Okay. Now see what will happen when this user will try to access something. Sorry, now I forgot to say. Now check your IP. Check your IP now. First you need to check your IP. Check your IP. See, you got 33 range IP. Correct. Now, okay. If you go to access something like Facebook, you will not get to access like Google. No. Okay. Paste.com. This is the login page. Here you need to service profile here. No, user profile, user service profile. Here, login, HTTPS, HTTP tab. Okay. See, already I created one admin, right? Admin. Now, so you can check from here, CMD, PINT, Google.com, Manchester industry. See, here is my internet access. You can see it over here also. Now, if I put my credential admin and admin, I can log in, I log in. Now check. I have internet access. If I log out, no internet access. If I log in, internet access. Now I can access anything. Google. Now I can check the bandwidth also. Because testnet. Anyways, this is the procedure. Now you will get the access. If you disable this cookies, okay, then check when you log out. If log in, this page will come. test1, test1. Always this credential will admin, the password is blank.